How to sign in Pokemon Go. So once you're inside the app, it's going to ask you whether you are a returning player or a new player. In this case, I'm going to click on new player. Then you're going to have four options. You can continue with Apple, create an account with Facebook, with Google, or with a Pokemon Trainer Club. So I'm going to go with the last option. And it's going to ask you to enter your username and password if you have one, or if you don't have one, it's going to ask you to create a new account. So this is what I'm going to click on, create one here. The first thing that you need to do is you need to enter your date of birth. So I'm going to say it is February 1996, and I'm going to say Finland and click on continue. Then you need to enter a username. Once you've entered your username, password, and email, you need to scroll down, click on the I accept the Pokemon.com terms of use, and click on I'm not a robot. Then it's going to ask you for a verification. So select all the cars. I believe these are all the cars, and click on continue. Next is going to ask you once again to confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms. So click here, click on continue. Next step is you need to verify your email. So log into your email and find the email that they sent you. Inside the email, click on verify your email. And once you verified your account, you can now log in. So enter your username and password and click on login. Now you can actually log into the game. So enter your username and password and click sign in. And just like this, we have signed in to Pokemon Go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.